To create a master campaign, you first of all need to go to Create a New Campaign. You can either select the email creator and start from a blank email, or you can choose a template design that already exists. The benefit of creating a master campaign is that you can copy from it first each time you build a new email. It will already have in your logo and branding and links to social media with any of your contact information, making it more simple for you to use on a regular basis. In my example, I'm going to choose a template design. I'm going to select the welcome email. I first of all need to select use this template. What this does is it brings it in to creating a campaign. The first step is to add in a subject line. This will then allow me to save the campaign. I'm going to call my subject line Master Campaign Copy First. The reason for this is that it'll prompt me to copy this master campaign each time I go to create a new one. Select Save at the bottom so that it saves in your campaign manager. Now what we need to do is go ahead and make the branding your own. So selecting on the logo, which is an image box, select Browse, come into my folder where all my photos are, select the logo, change my alignment to the center, and add in my link. Next, I can update this picture to something that's more relevant. So Browse, select my picture, and maybe I'd like a link behind that as well. Following on from that, we're looking at the text box. So maybe in this instance, we just want to change the color so that the branding is right. Furthering down, we're going to remove the text that's in here as it's not relevant for a master campaign. All I want to say in this is have the personalized field given name and all the best in the company name, and then I can add text as I go. Next, we want to update the Book Now button. We just want to change the coloring and add in the link. So add in the link, go to the styling and select the color. You can either choose a color code or you can use the toggle to select a color that you wish. Next, I want to remove the voucher. On my master campaign, I don't need a voucher. So to do so, I select and hit the close button at the top. I can also remove the terms and conditions box. And then once again, we just need to update our branding color. When copying a template, you'll notice that your social media links aren't in. What you need to do is just remove it, go back to the layout and add in the connect. From here, you need to tick on the ones that you'd like to keep and remove any that you don't want. To change the images, select the image itself, go to Browse. Underneath Shortcuts Administration, we've actually shared some social media default colors. For mine, I'm going to select the gray. Keep working and add to change all of the social media icons into those colors. Now that we have all of our social media icons added in and all of our links there, we now need to save the campaign. Now that this campaign is saved, it'll sit in your campaign manager. Let me show you where. Underneath Campaign Manager, you can either choose to select Search History or you can filter by an inactive campaign. Here you'll see your master campaign sitting here. Anytime that you wish to use your master campaign, please go down to the Action button and copy. Once you've copied your campaign, it's now ready to be edited. So select, and you can go ahead and start to edit and activate your first campaign. If you'd like to make any changes to your master campaign, please go back to the campaign in View Recent Campaigns, select, Make your changes and then save the campaign.